Hello friends, welcome to all of you. In this lecture, today we will discuss about the Auger effect. So let us start. What is Auger effect? So to understand the Auger effect, take an atom and a highly energetic electron. So let us make an atom. So this is the nucleus of our atom, and there are several orbits in which electrons are revolving. So let us make several electrons here. Here also I am just making random electrons, so don't worry. So let us make some electrons here. Okay, now here is a highly energetic electron. This is a highly energetic electron. Now throw that electron towards the atom. Throw that electron towards the atom. Okay. Now considering the Bohr model of the atom, according to which there is a nucleus consisting protons and neutrons in space, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus in certain fixed stationary orbits. So as like our solar system. So you can see here, this is our Bohr model of our atom. Okay, so here this is the central nucleus, and there are certain electrons which are revolving in certain fixed stationary orbits around the nucleus. Now an orbit may contains large number of electrons, as you can see here. Okay, so when electron enters inside the atom, so when this electron will enter inside the atom, then it may collide with the atomic electron and knock out that electron from the atom. Okay, and created a vacancy at that location. So when this electron will enter inside the atom, then what would happen? It will collide with some electrons. Let's say it will collide with this electron, and then it will knock out that electron, and there is a vacancy will created, or there is a hole will created. Okay, now what would happen? To fill that vacancy, an electron will jump down from the higher orbit. Okay, so now what would happen? To fill that vacancy, an electron from the higher orbit, let's say from here, will jump down to fill that vacancy, and as a result a X-ray photon will emit. So from as a result an X-ray photon will emitted. Okay, now if that X-ray photon again collide with another atomic electron of that same orbit, or maybe some upper orbit, higher orbit, so that photon will absorbed fully by that electron, and then the photoelectric effect will occur, or I should say more correctly, the inner photoelectric effect will occur. Okay, so this photon will go and it collide, it strike with that electron, and it is absorbed by this electron, and then it will come out. Okay, so then photoelectric effect will occur, and photon will absorb by completely that electron, and that electron will come outside from the atom instead of X-ray photon, isn't it? So what will happen here? So that X-ray will completely absorbed by that photon, and then inner photoelectric effect will occur, and as a result, instead of that photon, that electron will come outside here as a result. So then this phenomena, this effect is known as Auger effect. And that electron that comes outside at last is known as Auger electron. Okay, so I hope you have understood that what is Auger effect. So thank you for watching this video.